Hi friends, it's Laressa. Welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you are new here, this is a place on the internet where I help fellow real estate agents level up their content creation, marketing, and branding game with Canva. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the updates to the Canva brand kit, which is now known as the Canva Brand Hub. Now, I'm going to take you through the nuances between the free version and the pro version because the nuances and the differences between the two are substantial because, honestly speaking, the brand kit in the free version of Canva, which I am in right now, is pretty much non-existent. So here we are, Canva free. I'm going to go to the brand hub here. And as we can see, it's got that Canva crown. And everything has the Canva crown. So we have logos, colors, fonts, photos, graphics, and icons. Now, from me just playing around with this in the back end, what it seems to be is that you can only create one color palette in the free version of Canva, and you can only have up to 3 colors apparently. So it is very, very limited. Completely, it is so limited. And honestly speaking, the brand kit and hub for me is very substantial in what I do when it comes to designing on the daily for all of my content. I cannot live without my brand kit because honestly, I would go insane. So let me go back to the Canva homepage here, and let's just click on a design I have. And let me show you how you would normally access the brand hub. So it's going to be on the left hand side here, brand hub. And again, you just have these 3 colors. I mean, what can you really do with 3 colors? And you can even drag in your logos, things like that. But I mean, of course, if you are Canva free user, you can put all your logos into here. But over time, when you're creating so much content and marketing material, it's going to get pretty bogged down in here, and it's going to be a little bit confusing. Now, if you are interested in learning more about Canva Pro and want to try Canva Pro for 30 days free, check out the link in the description box down below for a free 30-day Canva trial. Now, let me show you what it looks like compared to the pro version of Canva. So let's scoot over here. Right now I am in my brand kit. So again, if we go to the Canva homepage, the brand hub is here. And I have multiple brand kits inside my brand hub. Okay, so that is a major key thing. That's one thing that's different from the Canva free. And again, it's pretty much non-existent in Canva free. So let me go into my brand kit here for my personal brand. Now, here is the sections broken down. We have logos and we have my color palettes. I have multiple color palettes depending on what I am designing for my Instagram, my YouTube, and things like that. And then we have multiple fonts. Now, previously in the old brand kit, we only had 3 font choices to pick. So you had just title, a heading, and body. Now we have upwards of 9 different font preferences, and you know, that's kind of a lot. I would suggest only going with maybe like 4 choices here and then just working with what you have, because you want to have a very cohesive brand identity when it comes to things like this. Now we can add in our photos here. So photos, graphics, and icons are new. This is what is new in the brand kit. Now, as you can see here, I have added in my icons. So these are my social media icons that I use very heavily, and just some cutouts of myself like this. Now, I do have some photos in here that I'm gonna add in just now. So let's go ahead and just click on here. Now I'm gonna go into my desktop here. I'm gonna go into brand kit because I made a section for this tutorial. So I'm just going to, you know, randomly just drag all these photos in here and see what happens. And so I have some photos of myself, Wolfpack, some stock photos, and other profile pictures as well that I use. And then for graphics here, let's just go in and click on this again. I want to go back into my brand kit. So I've made a folder on my desktop and just name the folders as you were seeing in the headings here for the brand kit. So for my graphics, what I have here is my Instagram highlight pictures and different banners that, of course, I've made all of this inside Canva. All right, and that's pretty much my brand kit. So this is pretty much it fully decked out. And again, I haven't really gone too much with the fonts yet. I still have just 3 different fonts here, but I'm still working on what kind of fonts I want to stick with. So let me show you exactly how to use your brand kit when you are designing. So let's go back into Canva, and let me go into, let's go randomly. What do we want to use? We're going to use this BioLink website that I use for a virtual business card. So right now obviously we are using a different brand kit. So we're gonna go into Brand Hub. So again, because we are in the different, with Canva Pro, we have multiple brand kits to work with. So let's say I was using, right now I'm in Etsy agent number 1. I want to go into my personal brand kit. So as you can see here, we have all of our logos here, right here. So I usually only use this one here, maybe my profile picture. And then we have access to all of our color palettes. And again, as I mentioned, I only have 3 fonts that I have chosen for my heading, subheading, and body. And then I have access to all of my photos that I would be normally using very often in my designs, my different graphics, and of course my different icons. So that is pretty much it for the entirety of the new updates to the Canva brand kit. If you have any other questions, do let me know. If you want to learn how I created my highlight cover photos and my different icons, let me know in the comments down below. I can make a video on how exactly I did that. But other than that, if you want to learn more about Canva, check out these videos right over here. And until next time, I'll see you all next time. Bye!